Hey guys, it's Madden Mobile Dude back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be opening 4 player packs, 2 on this account, and then 2 on my other account, so let's get into it. I've heard that there's been really good pulls, and if not, I'm just going to trade them in, so let's see what I can get in the first pack. Alright, let's go. I say a Cordell. Nobody good so far. Well, I hate when it does this. It opens everything. Well, nothing good in that pack, so move on to the next one. Okay, let's see what we get in this pack. Okay, German Lane, not bad. Oh my god. Nobody good at all, except for German Lane. Why won't... I hate when my phone won't slide. But nothing good in these 2 packs, except for the German Lane, which sells for like 15k, so I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back with the second part of our Madden mobile player pack opening, and I'm on my other account, and I'm going to be opening the last 2, so we got 1 elite from the first one, I think it was, so let's see if we can get lucky here. Come on. Tony McDaniel's not too bad. Again, just a whole bunch of gold players. Alright guys, we're back to our last pack, and come on, let's clutch it with a couple of elites. Another Jeremy Lane, and ooh, a Dante Hightower, sweet. That's worth like 100-something K, I think. Sweet. It's a great pull. So 2 elites in this last pack, so that basically made up for it, and I'm really happy about that. Sweet. Alright guys, this has been Madden Mobile Dude, and I will see you guys later.